While the pasta is resting, I'd like to introduce you traditional equipment that we use in Italy to make fresh pasta. To roll the pasta, we can use either a pin roll like this, made of wood and very traditional, or a stainless steel pasta machine that is very useful. The traditional equipment that I would like to present you are these two tools that are chitarra and pettine. The translation in English would be guitar and comb. Now the dough is ready, has rested nearly 30 minutes, but we can roll it with this machine as it is. We need to cut pieces that will make the roll easier, and meanwhile we are rolling each piece. It's better to keep the rest of the dough in glad wrap. We start rolling the pasta from the position number 1, that is the wider. Then we dust with a bit of flour because it's still humid. And then we go through every number until the thinner one. We start preparing the garganelli. Pettine. Then we need to make squares out of this pasta sheet. You put the square of pasta on the pettine, and with this stick you roll around this way. For the maccheroni alla chitarra, that they are called maccheroni but they really are like fettuccine, we use the same sheet of pasta, maybe a bit thicker, put on the chitarra, and with the rolling pin, you can cook them straight away, or you can portion them, like make single serve and freeze them. And here we have our garganelli and maccheroni alla chitarra. Traditionally, they are served with meat sauce. That could be beef, lamb, or pork. But we can see maybe this in the future.